How to send a message or email to members in contacts group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this, scroll down and click on this group. After click on group, click on groups and click on this three dot icon. If you want to send message, click on send message, so you will see send message from here. If you want to send email, click on this three dot icon and click on send email, and so select contact and send email. After send email, go back to home screen. So that's how you can send a message or email to members in contacts group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.